In this tutorial, we explain how to reset a Motorola phone and restore it doing a factory reset. We wish to inform you that the hard reset gives you the possibility to delete all information in your device like images, apps, notes, and contacts, remove screen lock by code, pattern, fingerprint, or face, and also to solve software problems. To reset your Motorola device, you must switch off your phone. Press and hold at the same time the buttons volume down and power until a menu appears on the screen. Pressing volume up and volume down, we will move up and down in the menu until we choose the recovery mode option, pressing power. When the Android logo appears, we press and hold power and volume up, and it will appear in a new menu. Again, we press up and down to move in the menu. And we choose the Wipe Data Factory Reset option, pressing the power button. Now we confirm with yes. And finally, we select the User Data plus Personalized Content option. And that's all. Your phone will be restored in minutes.